Welcome to the Unsent Letters by Sona. I'm Sona, and in today's video I'm gonna show you all my makeup products plus my shampoos, conditioner and makeup remover. Also, in the end of this video, I will tell you which salons do I go and I swear by them. So this video is for those who wants to know everything about my makeup and what's on my vanity. So let's dive into the video. But one thing I would like to tell you before starting this video. I'm a person who has OCD and I prefer quality over quantity. So I use very less products like one foundation, one makeup remover, everything one or two. Very selective products, very classic, very classy products, but very less. This top layer of my dressing table I will show you in 2 seconds. This is all I have, and in the drawers there's nothing, next to nothing. So let's dive into my dressing table at mom's house. Right now I'm in NFC, in my mom dad house. My husband Siddharth, he's on ship. He is a chief officer in Merchant Navy, and so when he's on ship, I just hop from my mom-in-law's house to my mom's house. Right now this is my dressing at my mom's house. So first of all, I will show you what's here, then this, and then my lipsticks. Okay, so the first thing is Moi by Nykaa Belle Perfumed Body Lotion. This is the body lotion I got the gift from Nykaa on my birthday. This birthday, I wasn't sure like I'll use it or not. But once I used it, I became fan. So this body lotion is with perfect consistency and it's wonderful. Then nothing much. I have here my lenses, cosmetic lenses. My eyesight is not weak, so my cosmetic lenses, liquid. And then we have, this is my toner which is about to finish. This is Shiseido Treatment Softener Lotion. This is the toner me and Siddharth both of us use, and this is amazing. It's about to finish with me, and I'm gonna order very soon, like in a day or two. This is a softener, like after face wash you put toner on your skin. This one we use a lot of Shiseido products, but right now they are finished, so I have switched to Dot & Key, but then I swear by Shiseido. It's a Japanese brand. Okay, then we have, oh, this product. Yes, you need to see this. What's this? Hyphen. So recently I bought it and I posted it on my Instagram that I bought it, and there were like so many DMs to me that the reviews are not good, why did you get it? Guys, it suited me so well. I started on the I put it on the hand for like 10 minutes and then nothing happened on my skin. I always do a quality check with my product, like I hope that this is not allergen or anything, and then I did put it on my face, and what an even skin came out. Even after removing the pack, there was this glow and there was this coolness on my skin. So this pack and this video is not sponsored. Anything in this video, any salon, any product, anything in this video is not sponsored. Completely my secrets. So Hyphen, I'll open it to you and I'll show you how it looks from inside. So this is it. After, as you cleanse your face and do toner, after that you put serum, which I'll show you in like next 2 minutes. But after serum you have to put moisturizer. Everybody knows about moisturizer. This is my moisturizer, my favorite company these days, my favorite, Dot & Key, not sponsored again. This is Watermelon Cooling Icy Gel Moisturizer. Oh, this is amazing again. Look at the consistency, and this is so good on face. I swear by this product. I swear by Dot & Key. Now I have just 2 perfumes. Not 2, I have their some gifted perfumes as well. They're very nice. But my favorite all time is classic Chanel number 5. You know, when I'm upset, I just open it and I smell it and everything goes so good. It soothes my senses. This is the amazing product. This is my perfume. I only have 2 perfumes. Chanel number 5, always, always. Earlier I used Miss Dior, which was great indeed, but not better than Chanel. And then we have Skin Titan. I got it as a gift and I loved with the smell. It is like beautiful fragrance, and yes, it's lovely. So I swear by this product again. Earlier I got this as a gift and I refilled the bottle. I got it again. This is amazing. If any product, anything you would like to know the cost, the price, or how many ml it is, you can comment on the you can just write on the comment box below and I will answer every question of yours. So this is the upper part. Now we'll go by, this is my shades. Oh, I love pink. Just kidding. Okay, so now we'll start with some foundation. You know, one foundation I love and I don't have it right now. That is Estee Lauder Double Wear. That is my favorite foundation, favorite base. But this time I thought that I would try Airbrush Flawless. And this is good. Right now I have put Airbrush Flawless and it's nice. It's giving a good glow. So it's okay, but it's very heavy. And for a person for me, like who's not a mua, and so it's very heavy, but it's really good. For this, I think I set it up with same Charlotte Tilbury. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. I use those brushes. I'll show you. And I just set my foundation with this, and you know, classic look it gives. So just no, I have one more face powder. So this nail remover, and this I have from last 5 years. It hasn't finished. This is Faces Canada blush. Oh, sorry, eyeshadow. Yeah, and these are the colors. Faces Canada is a great company, and these are the colors. Okay, so just 4 of this in single palette. That's all I have. Yes, nothing else. I don't have more eyeshadows, trust me. Now, how can my dressing be missing K-Beauty products? So this is Matte Blush Deep Plum, which I'm using right now, and it's beautiful. It's my favorite, cult favorite K-Beauty. You know, I have very limited but really quality products, so not very highly expensive, but something which do wonders on skin and which are safe for skin. So this and this color, oh, love. Then I have illuminating highlighter Honey Glaze. This highlighter, oh, this is magic. You know, K-Beauty products, they are amazing. So I use this highlighter, and then I use, this is also my face powder, like when I'm not going in parties and I just wanted to put face powder over my tinted sunscreen. This is how I use it. Now I'll see what's in here. First of all, this box is very pretty. It's from Kriti Creations. My mom gifted to me recently. Let me open this for you, and this is what we have inside. Like a lot of things inside. This is my pitara. Okay, so we have these rubber bands. This is the normal one. We have these 3 rubber bands, very cute ones. I got this from Amazon. And then we have 2 sharp, I'll show you everything inside here because I have nothing big very less. These are two sharpeners, one from Rene. It came with the kajal, Rene kajal. I swear by this kajal. And there's this another sharpener. Then I have one lipstick which couldn't fit there, so I put it here. Recently brought this Stays. I mean, this is amazing. A lot of people, a lot of influencers are doing ad of this, and it's worth it. It's not very expensive. It's somewhat around 850 or 650, and it is matte. Here it is. This is the applicator, so I'll show you. Okay, this lipstick. Oh, if you want swatch, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is again the Unsent Letters by Sona, and request me there, and I can do it anything for you guys. So I'll swatch it for you guys. This is amazing Stays. Now, this is the blush of K Beauty, one of the finest blush. Beautiful, just beautiful. You take it on your hand, like, you take it on your hand and you just blush. It's cream blush, and you just put your brush. And so I use this blush. So I think I have two blushes, and both are K Beauty, not very much. Then we have this kajal, tattoo liner, Maybelline. This liner I use. Then I use this. Right now I'm putting this on my face, in my eyes. This Rene. So this is Rene's holographic eyeliner. Oh, this is beautiful. My eyes are big, and when I put it, they enhance more beautifully. So this is amazing. Then we have, guys, I don't have nail paints. So how do I get my nail paints done? Oh, I go to salons. Yes, mostly I get my blow dryer and nail paints in salons. So I just have this, and this I got from Blinkit a few months back when I had nothing and there was this emergency. So this is the emergency nail paint. Okay, and then we have this pink liner. This is from, oh, it has been erased. I don't know, but this is beautiful liner. It's just beautiful pink liner. Okay. Then we have here Lakme Absolute Explore eyeshadow stick. I've used it once, and it's beautiful stick. It's amazing. So this is second eyeshadow you can save after the palette. Then we have this iconic eyeliner Lakme. This is blue color. Then we have this pencil. Oh, it's amazing. I think it's K Beauty. I don't know. I can't just... Yeah, I think it's K Beauty. This is the pencil with the sharpener, lip liner. And you can use it inside your eyes as well. Then there are like these 3-4 pencils and kajal. The Rene kajal, you need to get it. This is my cult favorite kajal, Midnight Rene. It's so amazing, guys. It's really amazing. So that's all I have here in this box. Let me put it back. So I hope you're enjoying this video, and I'm giving away all my secrets. I'm showing you all my products, no gatekeeping. And these are the brushes I use. So this is Swiss Beauty brushes, not regular ones. Just these brushes I use. I have to clean them. That's it. So these are the brushes I use. This is like for foundation. And one sec. And now let's come to my lipsticks. Lipsticks, yes. So this Maybelline is beautiful lipstick. It's sriracha color, and it is, it fixes on lips. It's non-removable, and it doesn't. And then this Superstay Teddy Tint. Oh, it's my second time I've got it in the same color. It's beautiful color. It is Cool Grunge 60, and it gives, it's beautiful. So this is like my lip tint, lipstick, lip gloss, whatever, but this is really nice. So this cute thing I have. Then the last one on my dressing, in my dressing, is this. Yes, bro, this. So let's see. So this is Strobe Cream, Dot and Key. You know, this is something you can swear by. Just get it. Use it as a primer before your foundation. I've used it today as well. So this is something amazing. I mean, just look at this. I mean, use this. Very nice. Then serum. I told you that first I wash my face, then toner, Shiseido toner. I use Shiseido serum, but right now it is finished and I really wanted to try this affordable Dot and Key pink serum. So its consistency is also pink. I'll show you, and its color is also pink. And so I use this serum, and now this is the other toner I have, Kama. How can Indian dressing table be complete without Kama product? So Kama toner, beautiful product, beautiful product, beautiful product. Oh, I've put it on my tattoo. It's on the healing stage. I just have to put wax, tattoo wax. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Now we'll, oh my god, what I have done. Now we'll go with the lipstick. So these are two mascaras I have. This is last 3 years I'm using the mascaras. My eyelashes, touchwood, are so fine that I don't have to use mascara all the time. This is Lash Paradise. And this is oh, this I bought 3 years back, Sumptuous Extreme. I think this is Estee Lauder. So just these two mascaras I'm using. Then my lipsticks, very limited ones. L'Oreal. So this is L'Oreal 255 French Kiss, Alia Bhatt. It's giving its ad and it's beautiful lipstick. Then this is Eyebrow Thing. Then I recently got this. I've got so many of this for my mom, for my bhabhi, and no, this is not that. This is Estee Lauder one. Oh, same covers. So this is the lipstick Estee Lauder. This is amazing. This is my cult favorite. This one I got for mom, bhabhi, everybody. This flower thing, it's very famous all over. This color is Cherry Blossom. This is a beautiful lipstick. Trust me, this is beautiful. And now just two more lipsticks. No trusting me? Just two more lipsticks I have. This one I have put on this Maybelline New York Superstay. Lovely color. You can see it here. It's a beautiful color. Easy to apply. This is my sindoor. So for my international audience who don't know what is sindoor, sindoor is, I'm not getting the English word of it. It's not coming in my mind right now. But you just put it here, or you put a dot of it for the long life of your husband. So yeah, married women do it. I'm married. And then the last one and my favorite, I'll get the cherry color also, Locked Kiss Ink. This lipstick is amazing. Amazing. This is a wonderful lipstick and it is very easy to apply. And just one coat of it and then you dab it with tissue paper and it gives you the subtle look and just, just tint. Beautiful. That's all I have. That's all I have in makeup. I know this is not too much. This is something very limited because these days people have a lot of products and I admire them too. That's your choice. What do you want to have? But for me, this is it. I had this Sabyasachi lipsticks. You remember the limited edition came last year, but it got finished and I threw them. So when my makeup gets finished, something gets finished, I throw the cover. Or if it is meant to be refilled, I refill it. But I threw it, and but it was amazing. It was limited edition by Sabyasachi. So now it's time to end the video, but before that, I promise to you I'll tell you about my shampoo and my conditioners, my makeup remover, my face wash. Also, I'll tell you my saloons, where do I go. So quickly I'll show you. I swear by our Lakme GK2 and Gitanjali near my place, NFC Community Center. Sometimes I go to Affinity here, which is very close to my place, just like 1 minute. And these are my favorites. Not my favorite, these are the places I swear by. I go there for my hair colors, for my, you know, for all the saloon things. Yes. And now the shampoo I use is this Keristas. This is for sensitive scalp. This is I use, my scalp is very sensitive. Then the same Keristas conditioner, Kama face cleanser. I use Shiseido face cleanser, but everything is finished right now. So I've just thought that let me try, let me experiment. So I use this. My makeup remover is magic. Magic. My makeup remover is magic. Clinique products are so good. So I've got, I've seen that I've got mix and match of brands, but Clinique products are so good. So you gotta see this. This one, this is the small one, and it is in 1550. It works for, I do less makeup, so it works for like 1 or 2 months. This is amazing. Then the hair serum I use is GK1. Fragrance of hair. So guys, that's all I have. That's all I have. If you wanna have, oh, one more thing. Wait. These are 2 cute hairbands I have. So I have just 2 hairbands. This is something for traditional. It's looking very bad with this, but it's pretty. And this one, oh, this is so cute with jeans or harems. It looks pretty. This is the brand Hair Drama Company. This is from Amazon, and that's it. That's all I have. If you don't trust me, you think that there's something in the drawer, I'll show you the drawer. So that's all, guys. If you want to have a sneak peek into my wardrobe, you need to subscribe this channel, because next video is about wardrobe. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Consent letters. Bye, Sona.